Hey y'all, this is Amanda,
And I'm Justin.
and this is Our Little Life Adventures.
Today we're going to go out to the trailer park in Lebanon, Tennessee.
So, this is located just outside of Nashville at 1600 Callis Road, and it's actually open every day of the week starting at 11 a.m.
So, yeah, we've just pulled in and saw East Nashville Beer Works right when we pulled in there. It's right across the street. Um, Parking here can get tight at times, especially once they're busy. It can be a little harder to find a spot. You may have to wait around a little bit, wait for someone to leave. This day, luckily, there was a few spots came a little bit earlier, so we just kind of plan accordingly. Maybe want to try to get here a little early, and that way you make sure that you get parked.
We're going to take you on a tour with us today. That way, you can see all the different food trucks, the atmosphere, the seating areas, the playing areas, and show you what we had to eat this day.
So this first truck is Maxi Empanadas. Had some great smelling food. We didn't get anything there though. This next truck, it's white. Looks really nice, but I'm just kidding. This is a TNT Thai food. Didn't get anything there this time yet either, but we did get something at this next truck, Waca Mole.
So at this Mexican street food truck, we ended up getting a burrito quesadilla. It was really good. It was one of my favorite things that I had there today. The meat was tender and juicy. It was really cheesy. It came with the jalapeno ranch and a consomme it was decent, but I'd rather have it without that. As you can see in the box, there's a lot of juice, so the only thing that I didn't like was it gets kind of soggy if you don't eat it right away.
All right, as we move past guacamole, next we move up to stacks and stuff. They have this real interesting bubble waffle concoctions. They have breakfast foods here. You've got savory foods. Also have desserts that look really good. This next red truck here is Yum Yum Hibachi. Got some good looking hibachi food. Remember, kids, no smoking, no vaping, none of that here on site. Next truck is going to be Southern Sips. They have coffees and dirty sodas, and then we come up to Dirty Dough.
So as you can see, we ended up getting a 4-pack this time. We just could not help ourselves. These cookies, y'all, are so ooey and gooey and warm. You have got to try it.
Then the next truck is BJ's Hot Chicken. There's a few locations of this, but they do have a food truck here. Excellent food. We had their bacon cheddar fries were excellent, and then this is Tio's Nachos. They have this fried cheese and pizza, and then we come up to the Poki and Grills.
We ended up getting this Korean corn dog, and they have multiple ones. We wanted the potato crunch, but they were out of that, of course, because that's the most popular. But man, the cheese pull didn't do quite as well on this one, but it was on the other bites, and it was pretty good.
Did you hear that crunch? This next truck is Big Buck's Barbecue. We had their brisket sandwich previously. It's excellent. We'll do another video all about Big Buck's. Next is going to be Sweet Gigi's Whisk and Wings. So they've got some sweet treats. Also have some wings. We'll definitely do another video showing off all the wings that they have here. And then there's the Burro Churro.
We ended up getting, of course, these churros with chocolate sauce. Now, they have different sauces like strawberry, Nutella. I can't think of all the different sauces they have with it, but these were so warm and soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Some of the best churros that I have ever had. So I would highly suggest those.
Next truck we come to is Waffle Wheels. We did try their tater tots; were very crunchy and they were excellent. They do have a multitude of different chicken and waffles, milkshakes, Phillies. We'll definitely have to come back and try them. You see, they've got an outdoor area here. Some kids playing cornhole. There's a little play area out front. There's a little gravel pit with Tonka trucks that your little ones can play in. And then plenty of fire pits, couple fire pits, and plenty of seating outdoors. This next truck is the roasted coconut. They have a multitude of different things, paninis and smoothies and things like that. Right beside the roasted coconut is my sister's keeper. It's more like soul food type things. They have pork chops and all kinds of good, yummy sounding foods. It smelled great. We'll definitely be back to try them. This yellow truck is Delicious Colombianas. They have traditional Colombian food. Definitely nothing that I've tried before, but we'll definitely put this on the list the next time we come back to check out some of their dishes. Next truck, this purple truck here is pretty famous around Nashville. It's Nash Kebab, gyros, kebabs, all kinds of good things. They also have burgers, chicken tenders, different things in case you're not feeling the kebabs. This truck actually pulled in right as we were filming. It's a new Mexican traditional restaurant, Mexican grill. So definitely excited to try this out. And then we come up to our last place, which is the Mac Shack.
We have been so excited and waiting to try this because we are huge mac and cheese fans. We ended up getting what's called the Big Bad Buffalo. So it sometimes it comes with jalapenos and ranch, and we ended up getting the ranch on the side just because we were all kind of trying it. But it was really good. It was creamy. The buffalo sauce was good. Had a good cook on the chicken, so I would suggest that. So we're gonna go on inside, and you can see all the seating area on the outside. Tons of seating on the outside. The inside has a log cabin feel. It's cozy inside. There's tons of seating on the inside as well. What's cool is like some of the windows come up, so in the summer, spring, fall, they can put those windows up, and it's just a really great atmosphere. They also have bingo on Wednesdays, so delicious food, some bingo, and they also serve beer here. So if you finish a keg here, you get a t-shirt.
So that concludes our trip to the trailer park in Lebanon, Tennessee. Enjoyed everything that we had here today. Our previous trip, we enjoyed everything then as well. So we look forward to coming back, making a few more videos on some more trucks here at the trailer park. So yeah.
So we want to thank y'all for watching us. And please like, comment, subscribe. We are just starting out, but we want y'all to join us. You know, we plan on going to amusement parks like Dollywood and doing food reviews, and we enjoy pinball and just different things. We want to take y'all to events with us that we go to. So be a part of our little life adventures. Thank y'all.